The Japanese 5S method. Transform your home into a peaceful sanctuary. Your living space holds more power over your daily happiness than you might realize. The moment you step through your front door, does peace wash over you? Or does scattered belongings and endless clutter create a heavy feeling in your chest? I'm Takumi Yamamoto, and through Japanese minimalism tips, I've helped thousands of people discover the ancient wisdom hidden in Japan's most practical organizing system. The 5S method wasn't created for homes. It was born in Japanese factories. Yet when you bring these 5 simple steps into your personal space, something magical happens. Your mind becomes as clear as your countertops. Before we explore this life-changing method together, I want to ask you something important. If this approach to creating peace in your home speaks to you, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Your support helps me share more of these transformative Japanese practices with people who need them most. The beauty of 5S lies in its gentle power. Unlike harsh decluttering methods that leave you exhausted, this approach honors both your belongings and your emotions. You'll learn to release items without guilt, organize with intention, and maintain order as naturally as breathing. Many people spend their entire weekend trying to get organized, only to watch everything fall apart by Wednesday. The 5S system breaks this frustrating cycle. When you follow these 5 Japanese principles, Seiri, Seiton, Seiso, Seiketsu, and Shitsuke, you create lasting change that feels effortless. Let me share what thousands of subscribers to Japanese minimalism tips have discovered. When your external world finds order, your internal world finds peace.
Step 1. Seiri, the art of thoughtful selection. Seiri teaches us to distinguish between what serves our life and what simply takes up space. This isn't about throwing everything away in a frenzy. It's about making conscious choices with compassion for yourself. Here's something amazing that happened to one of our Japanese Minimalism Tips community members. After applying Seiri to just her bedroom, she reported sleeping better and feeling more energized in the mornings. When you remove visual noise from your most personal space, your nervous system can finally relax. Choose one room to begin your Seiri journey. The bedroom works beautifully because it's your personal retreat. Remove everything from your closet, dresser, and surfaces. Place each item where you can see it clearly, on your bed, on the floor, everywhere the light can touch it. Standing before this collection of your belongings, take 3 deep breaths. You're not judging these items, you're simply getting to know them again. Pick up each piece and ask yourself 4 gentle questions. When did I last use this? Does it bring me joy or serve a clear purpose? Would I choose to bring this into my life today? If it vanished tomorrow, would I notice? Listen to your first instinct. Hesitation usually means the item has already served its purpose in your life. You can honor what it gave you while letting it go to help someone else. Create 3 distinct areas: keep, give away, and release. Items you keep should earn their place through regular use or genuine joy. Items you give away still have life in them, but no longer fit your current needs. Items you release have completed their journey. They can be recycled, donated to textile programs, or discarded responsibly. This is where many of our Japanese minimalism tips followers get stuck. Sentimental items. Here's the secret. Memories live in your heart, not on your shelf. Select one small box for treasured keepsakes. Only items that truly warm your spirit should claim this precious space. For everything else, take a photograph, write a short note about why it mattered, then let it go with gratitude. Old clothing that holds special meaning can be transformed into something useful today, perhaps a quilt or a pillow that brings comfort without taking up closet space. Seasonal items deserve respectful storage. Heavy coats, holiday decorations, and occasion wear can be compressed and stored higher up, making room for items you need daily. If you're finding value in these ideas, please take a moment to like this video. Your engagement helps other people discover these peaceful practices. The ripple effects of Seiri surprise everyone. Opening your closet becomes a calm experience instead of a frantic search. You wear clothes you love instead of settling for whatever you find first. Your living spaces feel larger because every item has earned its place. Before Seiri, your closet overflows, yet you claim to have nothing to wear. Getting dressed starts your day with frustration. After Seiri, only clothes that fit your life and make you feel good remain. Choosing what to wear becomes a peaceful way to begin each morning.
Step 2. Seiton, creating homes for everything. Seiton transforms your lightened space into an organized system where everything flows smoothly. After Seiri removes the excess, Seiton gives each remaining item a specific home where it can be easily found and returned. One subscriber wrote to Japanese Minimalism Tips saying that after implementing Seiton in her kitchen, cooking became a meditation instead of a chore. When every tool has its proper place, your hands move with grace instead of searching frantically. Begin by grouping similar items together. In the kitchen, all cooking tools unite in one area. Baking supplies claim their own territory, and spices gather in one convenient location. This simple grouping reveals exactly what you own and eliminates hidden duplicates. Next comes the heart of Seiton, assigning fixed locations based on frequency of use. Items you reach for daily should live within easy reach of where you use them most. The coffee maker near the mugs and water source. Keys in a small dish by the front door. Items used weekly can live on higher shelves or in less convenient spots. Share this video with someone who struggles with organization. They'll thank you for introducing them to this gentle approach. Create clear visual systems so everyone in your home can understand the organization. Use labels, transparent containers, or consistent color coding. When the system speaks for itself, you don't need to remind family members where things belong. Maximize your vertical space creatively. A pegboard transforms a blank wall into an organized display for frequently used tools. Drawer dividers prevent small items from disappearing into chaos. Stackable containers lift storage upward, returning precious floor space to your life. For complex storage areas like pantries or utility closets, create a simple map on paper and tape it inside the door. This small guide helps everyone maintain the system and prevents items from migrating to wrong locations. The magic of Seiton extends far beyond organization. It gives you back time. Research suggests people spend over 12 minutes daily looking for misplaced items. When everything has a designated home, those lost minutes return to you as peaceful moments. Develop the rhythm of take and return, like breathing in and breathing out. Use an item, then immediately return it to its home. This simple practice prevents accumulation and keeps your system flowing smoothly. Before Seiton, mornings begin with hunting for keys, phones, and important papers. Stress builds before the day even starts. After Seiton, everything waits in its designated spot. You move through your routines with calm confidence, arriving at your day feeling centered.
Step 3. Seiso, the meditation of cleaning. Seiso elevates cleaning from a chore into a practice of caring for your space and your spirit. In Japan, students clean their own classrooms daily, learning that caring for shared spaces builds character and community. Here's something beautiful that happened to a member of our Japanese Minimalism Tips family. She started dedicating just 10 minutes each evening to Seiso practices. After 3 weeks, she realized her stress levels had noticeably decreased. When your environment shines, your energy lifts naturally. Start small with a nightly 10-minute ritual. Before settling in for the evening, spend these minutes wiping countertops, sweeping main walkways, and returning items to their designated homes. This isn't about deep cleaning, it's about maintaining the peaceful foundation you've created. Focus your attention on the spaces that handle the most daily activity: kitchen, bathroom, and entryway. These areas collect the most visible wear and affect how your entire home feels. A clean kitchen honors the nourishment it provides. A sparkling bathroom mirror reflects your most refreshed self. And a tidy entryway welcomes you home each day. Choose cleaning tools that feel good in your hands. A high-quality microfiber cloth, a lightweight vacuum, gentle cleaners with scents that bring you joy. When your tools are pleasant to use, cleaning becomes an invitation rather than an obligation. Transform cleaning into mindfulness practice. As you wipe surfaces, notice the rhythm of your movements. Feel the satisfaction of removing the day's traces. Listen to the quiet sounds your cleaning creates. This isn't just maintaining your home, it's caring for your nervous system. If you're enjoying these insights, please subscribe to Japanese Minimalism Tips and turn on notifications. We share new wisdom about peaceful living every week. Share cleaning responsibilities among all family members. Create simple, age-appropriate tasks that contribute to the household rhythm. When everyone participates, no one person carries the burden, and children learn valuable life skills naturally. The benefits of Seiso reach deep into your daily experience. Visual clutter creates mental fatigue. When surfaces stay clear, your brain processes fewer distracting signals. Sleep improves when your bedroom maintains its peaceful state. Conversations flow more naturally in clean, organized spaces. A clean environment also supports physical health by reducing dust, allergens, and bacteria. Your investment in Seiso returns to you as increased energy and vitality. Before Seiso, you return home to evidence of the morning's rush. Dishes in the sink, crumbs on counters, scattered the belongings. The space feels tired, and so do you. After Seiso, your evening homecoming meets surfaces that gleam softly, items in their places, and a subtle fragrance of cleanliness. Your home greets you with restored energy.
Step 4. Seiketsu, building sustainable systems. Seiketsu bridges the gap between temporary tidiness and permanent transformation. This step creates gentle systems that maintain order automatically, so your peaceful home doesn't require constant effort. One Japanese Minimalism Tips subscriber shared that after implementing Seiketsu, her family stopped arguing about household tasks. When everyone understands the system and their role in maintaining it, cooperation flows naturally. Create a simple weekly maintenance schedule that prevents tasks from accumulating into overwhelming projects. Monday might focus on kitchen deep care, Tuesday on bathroom attention, Wednesday on living areas. When each day has a gentle theme, you never wonder what needs attention. Make your schedule visible where family members can see it. A small chart on the refrigerator or a shared digital calendar works beautifully. Each completed task gets a check mark. These small victories accumulate into lasting change. Comment below and tell us which room in your home needs Seiketsu most. Your sharing helps other viewers realize they're not alone in their organizing challenges. Assign family members specific zones that match their abilities and schedules. Children can maintain their study areas and return toys to designated bins. Adults can share kitchen and common area responsibilities. When everyone owns a piece of the system, no one feels overwhelmed. Hold brief monthly family meetings to review and adjust your systems. Perhaps the schedule needs tweaking for seasonal changes, or labels should be switched from words to pictures for easier understanding. This isn't criticism, it's continuous improvement in the Japanese spirit of Kaizen. The deep meaning of Seiketsu shows in how it transforms household dynamics. Instead of one person nagging others to clean up, the system itself guides behavior. Responsibility becomes shared naturally, and the question, "Whose job is this?" disappears. Please share this video with anyone who struggles to maintain organized spaces. These Japanese principles can change their daily experience. Before Seiketsu, you spend weekends catching up on cleaning that accumulated all week. By Wednesday, everything slides back into disorder, and you feel frustrated with the endless cycle. After Seiketsu, your home maintains its peaceful state with minimal daily effort. Friends can drop by unexpectedly, and you feel confident welcoming them into your organized, clean space.
Step 5. Shitsuke, cultivating lasting habits. Shitsuke transforms 5S from a temporary project into a permanent way of living. This final step plants the seeds of discipline so deeply that maintaining order becomes as natural as any other healthy habit. A Japanese Minimalism Tips community member recently told me that after mastering Shitsuke, her children began organizing their rooms without being asked. When adults model consistent behavior, children naturally follow. Adults in the home become the first teachers through their actions. No need for constant reminders or rules. Simply demonstrate the habits you want to see. Hang your coat immediately upon entering. Return your coffee cup to its designated spot after each use. Place your keys in their tray every single time. Children learn more from observation than instruction. When they watch these small acts of care repeated consistently, they begin to mirror them naturally. Create playful ways to practice organization together. Set a timer for 5 minutes and have the whole family reset one room together. Play upbeat music and turn tidying into a dance party. When organization feels joyful rather than forced, everyone participates willingly. Like this video if you're ready to transform these ideas into lasting change in your own home. Your engagement helps Japanese Minimalism Tips reach more people who need these peaceful practices. Acknowledge and celebrate small victories immediately. A warm thank you when someone returns an item to its home. A high five when a child organizes their desk without prompting. These tiny recognitions fuel the motivation to continue good habits. Weave organization into your natural daily rhythms so it never feels like an interruption. Before bed, a 3-minute reset of common areas. After meals, immediate cleanup and return of items. Upon waking, a brief check that everything is in its proper place. Share a clear vision of why your family maintains these systems, not to impress visitors or follow rules, but to create a home where everyone feels peaceful and supported. When the purpose is meaningful, discipline transforms from obligation into care. Subscribe to Japanese Minimalism Tips and join thousands of people who are creating more peaceful homes using these gentle Japanese methods. The culture of Shitsuke creates ripple effects throughout your entire life. The habits you develop at home, attention to detail, follow-through, respect for shared spaces, strengthen your character in every area. Before Shitsuke, your home swings between periods of organization and chaos. You feel frustrated that systems don't stick, and family members seem to forget how to maintain order. After Shitsuke, organization flows naturally through your household. Family members automatically return items, straighten spaces, and contribute to the peaceful atmosphere without reminders.
Your journey begins now. Through these 5 steps, Seiri, Seiton, Seiso, Seiketsu, and Shitsuke, you've learned more than home organization. You've discovered a philosophy that honors both your belongings and your peace of mind. The transformation begins with a single choice, selecting one room where you'll practice Seiri this week. Which space in your home is calling for attention? Share in the comments below. Your decision might inspire someone else to begin their own journey. Remember that 5S isn't about perfection. It's about progress, made gently and sustained naturally. Start small, be patient with yourself, and celebrate each step forward. Your home is more than shelter. It's the foundation for every other aspect of your life. When this foundation feels solid, clean, and organized, every day begins with greater possibility. Thank you for spending this time with me and Japanese Minimalism Tips. If this approach to creating peace in your home resonates with you, please subscribe and turn on notifications. Together, we're building a community of people who understand that outer order creates inner peace. In our next video, we'll explore how Japanese minimalists structure their morning routines to maintain energy and focus throughout the day. These practices will strengthen the peaceful foundation that 5S has helped you create. Your journey toward a more peaceful home and a more peaceful life starts with your next small action. What will that be? Light, clear, peaceful, and warm.